Tessa singing a Nightingale song in Berkeley Square.
She is all dressed up.
That certain night, the night we met, there was magic in the air. There were angels dying at the ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Maybe right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Yeah.